My name is Josh Ingraham. I'm the co-owner of Go Buddha Meals and Eatery here in Rocky River, Ohio. I was the executive chef for the Cleveland Indians at Progressive Fields. Before the pandemic, we were getting ready for opening day, and in a day's notice we were given the lockout was going to happen and we weren't able to return back to our jobs. We can't stop, we had to keep on going. Go Buddha was a project for friends and family to create an affordable and accessible meal program. We started to find the need to order online, so we started with Shopify, an ordering platform, and then it became, this is going to be our best shot to maintain our own lives. Once we realized we had the plan in place, the food part of it was actually the easiest part, but finding the capital is just very, very difficult. Conventional loans are really far out of reach. The long-term liability and debt wasn't something we necessarily needed. There's a lot more paperwork. When I reached out to Payability, they got back to me right away. It's as quick as linking up your Shopify, linking up your business bank account, and then they do the forecasting for you. So as a small business owner, that is exactly what I need. And the whole thing with Payability is it's your future sales. So it's not a long-term liability. If you have a slow day, you're paying back less. If you have a busy day, you pay back more. Without Payability, we wouldn't have had the financial support to believe that we could take a spot like this. As we've been scaling and growing, our revenue's been growing, so we've been paying back quicker, which makes it, for us, easier to unlock the next round. We've been making a very aggressive move, so now we're in our third round of Payability. It's been giving us the flexibility to build up our inventory, going back into marketing. Everything that we do has to have an immediate impact that will generate more revenue. We've been paying ahead, which means we're getting a rebate back on it too, so there's incentives to pay as fast as we've been paying. Without Payability, I think we would still be in a very early stage of our development. It's a very positive relationship because the flexibility just on the repayment, the flexibility on the review process, they're there sooner than other companies have been. It kind of opens the door to what's next, right?